Hi, I'm Aaron Huebner, and this is my first recording for the apps that we use in our classroom discussion. I'm currently not in a classroom, but as a parent of two elementary school age children, I was able to use some of my own experience with dealing with the teachers in the school. And after speaking at parent-teacher conferences this past week, I got some input from my child's teacher. And the one app that I'm going to discuss right now is an app called Seesaw. It's a communication app that my child's teacher uses to communicate announcements to parents, as well as show up in-class updates. As you can see, this is actually a video of my son. This is the app that we use at home because it's really a neat feature. It's called Seesaw, and my interaction has been limited at this point, but it's cool because it sends updates. My son can do video uploads of things he's learning. He can do journal entries as they compile this journal throughout the school year, as well as the teacher can record videos to send as messages, as well as send messages through the inbox. So I'll just go through a rundown of some of the features that we found on here, and we'll continue going on through the app. Once again, this is my son Seth, and he's doing a video that they upload about a project that they're doing in social studies about their middle name. So I'll play a little bit of that video so you can see some of the features that
Hi, my full name is Seth Aaron Huebner. My mom and dad chose my name off of a list, and my name is according to.
As you can see, it's a video that was done by my son. It's something he did in class, and they upload, and I have the app on my phone, as well as the internet connection on my computer allows messages or alerts. So it could be 10:30 in the morning and I get an alert that there's a new message waiting for me on Seesaw. So I can go in the app and I can play it either web-based or on my phone. It's actually a really cool update. As well, as I scroll down here, his teacher does updates as well throughout periodically throughout the class. And because it's allowed, parents are signed up, so you can comment. So it has a social media aspect as well regarding this. As they continue through, there's a journal. You can see there's one from my son. It's just updated writings that he has that they can compile over the course of the year. And then also the inbox. You can see that at different times, like there was a field trip this week that I was chaperoning for my son. And they just sent out both an update on the field trip, and then they had a follow-up because it was about this play that they went to, and they learned how to make purple pancakes, so they sent out a recipe. So it actually has some really neat features to it, and I'm really enjoying the app. So that is Seesaw. Thank you very much.